In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to know your OneDrive storage. Whether you're managing files for work or personal use, keeping track of your storage capacity is essential to ensure you never run out of space. Let's get started with this simple walkthrough. To begin, you'll want to open your preferred internet browser. Using the search bar, type in OneDrive and press enter. This will bring up search results leading you to OneDrive's official page. Among the search results, look for the link directly associated with Microsoft's OneDrive and click on it. This will direct you to the OneDrive main web page. Once you're there, you'll need to sign into your account. Look for the sign in option, usually at the top right corner of the page. Click on it and enter your Microsoft account credentials. If you don't have an account, there is typically an option to create one right from the sign-in page. Upon successfully logging in, you'll be directed to your OneDrive dashboard. Here's where you can immediately get a glance at your storage information. In the interface, direct your attention to the lower left corner of your browser window. This is where you'll find your storage details, displaying both the amount of space you've used and what's still available. It's a helpful snapshot giving you a quick overview at any time. For further details about your storage usage, look for the option labeled Storage. Click on that and it will take you to a more detailed storage metrics page. Here you can see a breakdown of how your storage is being used, which is particularly useful for identifying large files or areas where you might be consuming excessive space. An alternative way to access these metrics is by clicking the settings icon at the top right corner of your window. Navigate to Options and you'll find the storage metrics there as well. This can be a very intuitive way to deeply understand and manage your files. Moreover, if you have the OneDrive desktop application installed, checking your storage is just as easy. Navigate to the Windows notification area on the lower right corner of your screen where the OneDrive icon resides. A quick click on the icon will reveal a settings option. Choose Settings from the drop-down menu and you'll be taken to your OneDrive desktop settings. Similar to the web version, your used and available storage information is conveniently located at the lower left corner of this panel. With these straightforward steps, keeping track of your OneDrive storage becomes an effortless task, ensuring you always stay informed about your file storage situation. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide helps you manage your OneDrive space efficiently.